Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the ice cream bloke and self-supported, well, I guess I am self-supported, self-appointed headmaster here down at Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We're going to talk a little bit about telltale signs about some logistical problems in your ice cream shop today. But before I do that, I do want to thank our good friends at Lockhead Vanilla, a hop, skip and a jump down the road here in St. Louis, Missouri. 4-generation-year-old vanilla company, over 100 years old. They're building wells in Madagascar to help the locals. Great crew, great product. Their link is down below, lockheadvanilla.com. You tell them that I said hello when you're chit-chatting to the Lockhead brothers. Okay, so we've spoken a little bit before here, and actually quite recently, on oxidation of your ice cream. And Madeline can link that video down below. I was holding some ice cream here to show you a very practical example of what can happen logistically and a telltale sign if you've got that problem. So down here I've got a bucket of Biscoff, and I've let this sit for about 3 or 4 days undisturbed in the dipping cabinet, uncovered. You'll see that the top of this product has gone darker. When I scoop it, the product underneath is lighter in color than the product on the top. If you are scooping your ice cream, regardless of what color it is, and the product that you're scooping underneath is lighter than the product on the top, then you've got some logistical problems. You've got this oxidation happening, you've got aging happening when it shouldn't be happening too much. The same happens with chocolate. Over here on this bucket, you'll see you've got a darker chocolate here, but when I scoop over it, it's lighter underneath. So it happens in reverse on chocolate. Darker on the top, oxidization makes it, but you've got this lighter product over here, which honestly is a telltale sign that your product's been in the case too long. Now we have people asking this all the time, how long can I leave the product in the case? My question to you is, how fast can you rotate it out? This is a balance between trying to preserve food cost and not throw product out, but keeping that rotation going. So if you're seeing your lighter colored ice creams lighter underneath than the top, or your darker ice creams lighter underneath than the top, it means that they're sitting in the case too long. You've either got to start selling them rather in this kind of 3-gallon tub. Maybe you start selling them in a 1.5. I know people that specifically will go to a Napoli or a gelato pan for that particular reason. You're rotating them in and out very quickly, and so you don't have this problem with logistics, with chewy ice cream. You're really misrepresenting the quality and passion of your ice cream that you're putting in. So can you keep an eye on that this season? If you are scooping and the product underneath is lighter than the product that's on the top, you've got a skin, you've got oxidization, it's in the case way too long. Pint it out early, make some cookie sandwiches, do things that you can to rotate that through. And please, the worst thing you can do is ever take an old lump of ice cream and put it on a fresh new bucket there. People don't want to see that at all. It's all about keeping your product fresh, scoopable, rotating, a whole box and dice. Keep an eye on that for me this season. I want you to have the best possible season that you can. And these are the signs to say that perhaps things are going a little bit awry logistically. Let me know if you have any questions about this coming season. We'd love to do some videos on it. We're very excited. It's going to be a cracker in the Northern Hemisphere. We're going to sell a lot of ice cream, sorbet, water ice, yogurt, gelato, went the wrong way there, gelato. The whole frozen dessert family wishes you the best of the season, as does Lockhead Vanilla, our sponsor. Leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next one.